National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a flash flood warning for
The National Weather Service in Guam has issued a flash flood warning for Guam until 6 p.m. At 12:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy showers and isolated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across Guam. Over 4 inches of rain have fallen over parts of the island. Flash flooding is occurring. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible across Guam. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Keep away from storm drains, culverts, creeks, and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep you away. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement office or emergency management agency when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Oh, by the way, that girl you were trying to impress last night? Do you know where her father is? Admiral Shane. He runs.